Today I'm going to show one new OS. Whoever like this Android version OS to download in their systems and all, they can use this Android version OS. It's an Phoenix OS. It's a free lightweight operating system and Android emulator that allows user to run Android apps and games on their Windows desktop. So it is designed to provide a desktop like experience on larger screen with advanced features like taskbar, start menu, and support for mouse and keyboard input. So, if you people also want to download this Android feature version, so just go for this. Now, just we'll open the Google Chrome and we'll type there as PHOENIX Phoenix and OS and enter. Here we can see HTTPS Phoenix OS download to 2024 latest for Windows 11 and 10 and 7 it support. Free download is there, just download it. Now my download has been completed over here. Now in search I'll just search for disk management DISK and space management MANAGEMENT. Disk manager, we can go for this disk manager. Create and format hard disk partition. So I want to create one hard disk partition, so I'll just go for this, create and format hard disk partition. And at right side you can see create and format hard disk partition. Control panel is there and open is there. Just we'll click on it. Now we'll just create one partition and we'll see these advanced features of Phoenix OS. And here you can see disk management opened, and here shrink space, query volume for available shrink space, please wait. Okay. It will take some time for shrinking of space, and a total size before shrink is there, and size available shrink space in MB is there, and enter amount of space to shrink in MB. So I'll give 51200 and shrink, and now we'll just wait for it. Four 65.2 GB. So 50 GB unallocated is there. Next and NTFS. Okay, finish. See here, file system is there, and new technology file system. NTFS means new technology file system, and here volume label is there. Now I'll give my OS name PHOENIX and OS, and next, finish. We'll just wait for the name and partition of our new OS. See here, we can see partition has been created, 50 GB NTFS, new technology file system, healthy logical drive, E partition created, and now we'll check it back, close it, and we'll go to files, and here you can see this PC, and here you can see 49.9 GB free space has been there. Now I'll open Phoenix OS, my file. and please select install type is there, install option is there, and I'll go for E, and next, and here 32 GB I'll take it. I selected 32 GB and install option, and now progress has been started. Here folder has been created for phoenixos, and see here you can see 15 GB has been completed for phoenixos. And here my start for phoenixos is there, and I'll open it, and here you can see start for phoenixos. And I restarted my system, and system restarting. It will take some time, and now it has been opened, and just will check what will happen, what are the advanced features are there in this. See here phoenixos system installing, please wait. Initializing system, welcome to phoenixos, and here language selection English United States, and next user license agreement we have to accept it, and connect for network, and see here this is the screen which is chessboard type screen is there, and here you can see notification center, settings, and bright light, ethernet, bluetooth, many options are there, many features are there, and my computer, recycle bin, and here you can see many features are there, search apps is there, play store is there, even you can search in play store for games and all, you can download it, and you can download new apps and all, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to access in your computers, you can just download in the play store, and it is very user friendly and very useful for everyone. So I downloaded, and now I'll check for this all options, features, if I like I'll use for some days, and here accessibility is there, Google Play Store. Okay, now close it, and I'll hope if this video is good and somewhat informative, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.